on date nights to go get massages, but we want to stop and get some food real quick. It is pouring down. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Saw that lightning?
More napkins?
Yeah, it's on top with the sauce.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Here.
Have a great day.
It's like it's pouring down. Like crazy. Let me show you guys. Yeah. It was thunder and lightning. The person at the window was so scared she fell to the ground. It's like pouring. Let me show you guys. Of course it looks like clear through here.
You switched in the middle of the video? That's crazy.
Jared looks at me like, do you have a towel? You think I have a towel?
I got towels in the trunk. Don't play.
You do?
Yeah.
No, you don't. I just washed it.
No, I got 2 towels in the trunk.
You towel in the trunk?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna make our way to massage.
Making our way downtown.
Walking.
All right.
See you guys later. And thank the Lord for traveling mercies. In Jesus' name, amen.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, so here is my bed, and that's Jared's bed. He's drinking his peach green tea. And we're about to get undressed so we can get this massage.
So after the massage, you get another massage that you pick and customize yourself.
Yeah, guys, so that massage was everything that we needed and more. We had just got finished with the Mamas in Pajamas event over the weekend, so I just really needed that massage, and I'm so glad that I did. And it was great. Like, that was the best deep sleep I've gotten in a long time, probably even before River. And it was only like a 30-minute nap, but like I recognized the different essential oils they were using, because I'm like getting into essential oils right now. If you guys are interested in essential oils, let me know, because like I legit want to study them. I think they're so cool. But I recognized when they were using like lavender on my back, and then they changed to like cedar wood on the back of my neck, and where my lymph nodes are, and that helps to like revitalize you. So it was very, very good. Very, very good. So I don't know. I think I'm going to make more of I actually have a monthly membership, but I never use it. But after that massage, I was like, I think I'm going to use it more often. Anyway, guys, that is it for right now. I know it was a short little vlog. Next week, we'll have a vlog of us going to Jacksonville with my family. But yeah, we love you guys so much. If there's anything you want to know, anything you need, let us know. We love you guys. See you later. Bye.